Hi guys, welcome to Creations by Karen. Today I'm going to show you another craft that I'm going to be putting in my Easter craft show this year. There's always a lot of kids at the craft show, and I love when they come into the booth because they're like amazed by all the color. So I always like to have something available for their moms to purchase for them. So I have this cardstock that I had in my stash. I don't even remember where I got it. Could have been on Amazon, could have been at Michael's, not really sure, but it's got bunnies on it, so that'll work. And I'm going to face this down onto my, just like that. Then I have this Easter coloring book. I did get these on Amazon. I can't tell you where or if they still have it, but just a coloring book will be fine, a small one. And I'm going to just place this down onto my cardstock. See if I can do this properly here for you so you can see. And I just kind of want to measure about 1/4 of an inch from each side. And I'm just going to make a little mark with my pen to show where 1/4 of an inch is. And I want to mark the bottom of this as well, so I know what the bottom is. Okay? Then I'm going to take my cutter, got this set on at Michael's, I believe, and I'm just going to cut down the whole side on this mark. So I just feed it in, and you want to make sure this is straight when it goes in. And this one has a line, and just butt it up against there. And just cut it. Just like that. And here's my pocket that I'm going to be making. I guess you can call this a pocket, like that. Then I have this other, and I use this to score things. Because you know what? I can't get the little blade that goes on here, which is unfortunate because I really like this cutter. So anyways, I'm going to go, and this is about 1/4 of an inch down. And I just take my bone folder, and I just go 1/4 an inch down the entire piece. Flip it over and do 1/4 an inch on the other side. Just like that. Okay, now here's where I have the front. This is going to be coming up. So I want to make sure I've got it this way. Let me redo that, because that's going to come up. Right. So I'm just going to mark it. Let's do it this way. That'll probably be easier. And I want to go about 1/4 of an inch from the bottom. And just take my bone folder and go up on there. And just make another line. Okay, so I'm just going to go here and score it. And then I'm going to score it at another 1/4 of an inch, I think. Because this is going to be folding up like that. Perfect. Okay. So here's my plate. Template I've made. Cute. And this is upside down. The kids aren't going to care. Neither will the moms. So what I want to do is cut this. So let me make sure. Yep. I'm going to cut this here and all up the side. 1/4 of an inch. And do the same on this side. and cut it. So that's what it looks like. Okay, see how I've made cuts here? And depending on how big your biggest thing in your package is going to be, will be defined on how big you want to make this template. Okay, so if you're using a bigger book, then use a bigger template. So I'm just going to fold this like here and here, and then I'm going to fold these sides in on either side. Now I've got some double-sided tape right here, and I'm just going to put some double-sided tape along that protruding piece. Just put your double-sided tape down and do the other side. And then you take something sharp. Need something sharp. Let's look in here. I got this at my local dollar store. It's just a sharp thing to pull these off. So you just pull your double-sided tape off. And your double-sided tape on the other side. And you're just going to fold this up. And you just secure this down on the back. So you have a nice little pocket that you can put stuff in. All right, let's stuff it, shall we? So here's my Easter coloring book I'm slipping in here. Fingers crossed it fits. And it does, yay. It's nice and snug, and that's what I wanted. So my Easter coloring book is in. So I'm going to put other stuff in it too. So I have some crayons. Slip that in there. And I want that to kind of stick out. So I'm just going to put some double-sided tape on the back of that. So I can place it wherever I want to. Want that to stick up nice there. I've got a notepad. I'm just going to stick that in there. I have a sucker. I'm going to cut that off because I don't need it to be that long. I'm just going to stick him in. He's cute. And then I wanted something on the top here, and I have this bunny, and they can use the coloring or the crayons to color this bunny. Might be cute. And I'm just going to stick him in here, right there on the top. Or do I want to put him in front of the notepad? I might do that. So adjust things how you want it, guys. Just place that down. Oh, he's cute. So there's my stuff. And I also have a pencil. And I think I might want to put this pencil in there. Oh, that's cute. All right, so here's what I've got. Now, I've got a bag that I purchased on, I believe, Amazon. Let's see. I would say it is, let's check. It's about 6 by 10. And it all depends on the size of what you're putting in. There we go. So open it up, stick it down inside, make sure this is facing the back. Do I want to put that in the center? Maybe I will. I lost my... Let me take this out because I kind of lost my... I think what I'll do is I'll just put a little bit of double-sided tape on that. Just secures it. So it's not going to fall down into my box or into my bag. I'm just going to stick him on there. Perfect. Oh, I think I want to put him in the center. There we go. And this one here. There we go. That makes me happy. That's how I filled it. Let's stick it in here. Just place it forward. I don't know why that went down. There we go. Take this double-sided tape off. Just tape off the back and just turn it over. And there you have it. Cutest button. Little craft stash for kids. And this will also be at my craft show. So make sure you like and subscribe if you liked what you saw today. And hit that notification button so you know every time I post a live. And until then, see you later. Bye.